Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the Java JDK. I'm going to show you a very simple way. The Java JDK is basically what you need to be able to write your Java code and run your Java code. So the first thing you want to do is just type download IntelliJ. Then you go to the first link, it should be a JetBrains link. Then you pick your platform. In this case, I'm doing this example on Windows. So you just download the community edition because that's the free one. So you download this. It should start in a few minutes. So as it's downloading, I'm going to briefly show you why I'm showing you this approach. Normally people go to Oracle and download the Java JDK and set some path, and after that download IntelliJ, but you don't need to do that because with IntelliJ it will do all that for you. So when you download IntelliJ, then you use IntelliJ to download the Java JDK. Yeah. So as it's downloading, let's wait. So after downloading your IntelliJ, you open the file you downloaded and follow these steps. So you just click next. This is going to show you where the your IntelliJ is going to be installed. But just accept this part and click next. Card for IntelliJ. You can create associations so that when your OS sees files that end with .java, it opens it directly with IntelliJ. Now you can click next, install. Then you wait for the install to finish. And we want to see if the system recognizes Java as something that has been installed or added to the path. So we type java-version. Now this means that either Java has not been installed or Java has not been added to the path. So we are going to install Java and also let IntelliJ add it to the path if it's possible, or add it to the path ourselves. So I'm going to show you how to install Java using IntelliJ after you've installed IntelliJ. So the first thing you need to do is agree to the terms and conditions. So just agree, next. So after clicking new project, this is the screen you're invited with. So you specify the project name, just call it anything for now. We just want to start our first project and download Java. Now here you see it's not detecting SDK here. It's basically software development kit. It has to do with Java. So what we need to do is we need to click this drop down, choose download JDK. Now let's try and create a new project using this JDK we downloaded and the name of the test project. So we click. So with this, we've opened our first project. We click run. It shows that it's able to run it because the Java JDK is installed. This is the part of the Java JDK here. So it's using this executable to run. So in the previous session, not even the previous session, like a few minutes ago, we downloaded IntelliJ. I made a mention that IntelliJ will add your JDK to your path. It seems this doesn't work for Windows, only Mac. I tried it on Mac, it worked. So what we need to do is we need to add the JDK to our path. What does this even mean? So generally, when you run a command in your command prompt or your terminal, the OS looks for the command in a specific number of places. So we need to make sure that we add the folder where Java is to those number of places so that when we run the Java command, it's going to be picked. So what we do is just run your code here, copy this path, the whole path from C users to Java EX. This is where your Java executable lives. So we want to copy from the bin path. So just copy from bin here and keep note of it. You can save it in Notepad or something. Now to add the Java binaries to to your OS, what you need to do is you open the edit environment variable section. What you need to do is you go to your start menu and type edit environment variables. The first option that pops up, you open it and you go to path and you go to edit. It opens a new window. What you need to do is click new and paste that path in there. So I've pasted it, click OK and also click OK here and you are done. So now what we need to do is we need to check if Java has been added to the path. Java was already added to the path even before we added Java was already installed even before we added it to the path. but we need to make sure that the Java is added to the path so that if you want, we can run some Java commands in the terminal aside IntelliJ. So what we need to do now is we type Java -version. Now you see your Java version here. This means Java has been installed. Thank you.